Right, here goes the first part. We just mount it against the wall. Unfortunately, we don't have any light in this top room at all. We don't have electricity. We're gonna run a cable to it, but we want the room to actually shine up, and this is pretty much what we want to shine up. So let's go ahead and set up the first part. This is the first part. I mounted the drywall mounts. They level up to, they could hold up to 100 pounds each. So we'll see if it works. And the actual lamp is really light. It doesn't even weigh 100 pounds. It's about 10 to 9 pounds. All right, we have our finished product. Unfortunately, we had to run a cable because our wall here does not retain anything. There's no back into it at all. So it's actually running pretty good. I've run my cable there. This room is gonna be lit up, completely light up the whole room now, because without it, let me show you without it. This is the room dark, completely dark, you guys can see. So with the light, it shines up pretty good. We're having the light set up. It was easy to set up because I had it pre-wire ready. I did it on the floor first. Now we do have a couple things you should know on the control, right? You have a pair code in case you want to pair your phone into a phone or other devices into the same control. You could do that. It has 1 through 6 speeds for your fan. It has forward and reverse button, and off, all right? That means it's gonna turn off the fan, turn off the lights. And then you got dimmer, plus and minus. On the dimmer, you got the different kind of lights, the different lighting. There's 3 different sets of lights that we're gonna take a look at them. And then you have a night mode too, and another fixture here. Of course, you have different fan versions of it. You have one wavy, and then 2 hours. If you want to program it, if you fall asleep, you want it to turn off in 2 hours, you can do that, or 1 hour. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the fan one. That's number 1 going, all right? And then we're gonna go all the way to number 6. So we got the fans, and then to turn off the fan, it's a center button, all right? So we got all 1 through 6. It's pretty strong, I feel it down here. Turn off the fan. We're gonna turn off the fan. Now we're gonna take a look at the different kind of color modes that we have, right? So right now we're on 1 right now, all right? We're gonna change it to the other one. This is a different tone. It's kind of like a daylight tone, all right? And then we're gonna do another tone. And this is kind of like a yellowish tone. And then we go back to the original one that we had. So easy to set up. It's not that heavy. It could go on any drywall mount like I just did right now on drywall. Because there is no backing. I don't know where the fixture is. There was never any center lighting here. And this room is pretty dark. We end up moving all this stuff over, but it worked very well. Easy to set up. I like the functions. If I'm going to turn on the fan so you can see all the functions with the fans on. And then, like I said, the button in the corner is to turn them all off at the same time. So easy to set up, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.